So Samsung's Unpacked event is all about the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4, and we know that. I've already made a video how many customization options will happen with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but here's the thing, Samsung actually kind of confirmed that. All the possible colors and storage variants of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, Z Fold 4 and the Watch 5 Pro have been listed on Samsung's UK website. Now the webpage lists 4 primary color variants of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, blue, Bora purple, graphite and pink gold. We already have seen them. However, the bespoke edition, which is gonna be the most coolest thing of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, it's gonna have so much of color options. So you can have black, green, navy, you can have black, navy, red, you can have black, yellow, white, black, green, green, you can have gold, green, green. It will have many different, and so much so that it will be like 70 plus customization options. That is just crazy insane. But that's very little compared to what we have heard that it will offer 30 plus colors options for each panel. That totally means it will offer more than 900 customization options. But I think that will be region specific. But then one other thing, it also listed only 2 models of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, the 256GB and the 128GB. And we've also seen from EV-Leaks that it will come in a 512GB model as well, but maybe not in the UK, maybe in the US. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 on the other hand, on the UK website at the very least, will be available in beige, grey green and phantom black. And it will come in 256GB and 512GB, even though we have heard that there would be an 128GB model as well as a 1TB model exclusive for South Korea. Now, the 128GB model could come in the US as well. So it will have a much less price tag. That's it. Now, if you really want to know about the prices, you can check out my recent videos on that. I'm not going to bore you with the Watch 5 color options because there is a crazy insane video coming right after this. But then you probably be asking, what about the accessories or the cases? Now, one online retailer actually has listed a couple of protective cases of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. Now, in these photos, we can see that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4 will come with quite a bit of silicone cases. We can see Samsung flap leather covers, clear covers with ring and so many stuffs, and even the slim standing covers. 70 euros for the flap leather cover, while the clear cover could cost around 28 euros. A lot of things will be actually Samsung.com exclusive, just like the Z Fold 4's one color option, burgundy red color option. And one of the important thing is that this color option will be very limited in numbers, so that's a big thing to note. And definitely subscribe this channel for the future videos on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 plus the Watch 5 Pro. And definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you pre-ordering the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or the Z Flip 4? Because the pre-order bonuses this year is pretty cool. You need to check out my recent video on that. Hey, I will take few seconds to introduce to you my latest wallpaper pack, Agate. Now, these are insanely sharp, beautiful, high-resolution 8K wallpapers made for desktops, laptops, tablets, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description to check out. And yeah, you can also subscribe to my website for exclusive discounts. Or simply, you just can visit my website, joindavid.com, for latest tech news that matter. Until the next one, bye and take care.